you meet a stranger and he tells you that everything in Caesarea is okay, and everything in Jerusalem is not okay, then that's a faithful condition. And if he tells you that everything in Caesarea is not okay, but everything in Jerusalem is okay, then that's okay, you can believe him. But if he tells you that everything in Caesarea is okay, and everything in Jerusalem is okay, you can't believe him. In other words, that's the head-to-head, guys. That's the collision. That's the collision course which is going to shatter worlds. The rabbis called out to the Jews, don't go to the theater. That means the Jews went to the theater, right? Otherwise the rabbis would have said don't go to the theater. Why would the rabbis not want the Jews to go to the theater, guys? Because what do you come to the theater for? You know, you would get 1 day's wage, 1 day's salary, just to come to the theater. Go to the theater, you can get 1 day's salary. What's the incentive? Why are they trying to drag everyone into the theater? What do you see in the theater? You see the pantomima. You see the mima. You see the mouthpiece of pagan culture. They don't have a book. They don't have text. They have stories to say. Stories to say, this is the mouthpiece of the other truth, of the other side, of what is, from our point of view, a continuation of what you saw in Megiddo. To come to the theater is to be as far away from the workings of God and of a holy existence as any other existence a person could stand, foreign existence that a person could stand, and then come inside the land. The Romans weren't interested in the view. You might think, oh, what a fantastic view to have a theater. There's no view. What's the view that the Romans see? It's a wall. A wall with pillars, Corinthian headstones, marble, granite. Look what you can do. Where there's no slope, we can make a theater. And the theater was a whole nother tier when it was being used. A whole nother tier higher. That's what Gifta Hadon. You see the huge structure, which is the Roman theater in Caesarea. That collision between those two worlds gets back into the background to all the stories which we've been following when we've been talking about the Galilee of the North Coast. To be?
Not to be.
Bravo!